Heavenly light, shine over me. Breath of God, set the spirit free. Rivers of mercy, mountains bow. Praise His name, here and now. Every dawn rise, see His glory. Creation singing, tell the story. Sun and moon, rivers and seas all declare His power, His majesty. Trees them sway, wind a move. Every heart know Him always prove. From the smallest leaf to the stars above, I reflect the Lord, I reflect His love. Lift up hands, sing and rejoice. Every breath a gift, echo His voice. Mountains kneel, oceans roar. Spirit of God open every door. From silence to praise, from night to day. Spirit of God, guide me way. Fire moving on me, heart ignite. Every darkness flee the light. All hail the Lord, lift your voice. Holy fire ignite hearts with joy. Spirit rise, break every chain. Mountains move, oceans proclaim. Light of heaven, shine in me. Power of God, set me free. Glory reigns, never fades. All hail the Lord, all creation praise. Overfall, birds a bloom. Him bring life out of the gloom. Every seed sprout, every bird fly. All creation testify. Lift Him high, storms may rage. Nights get long, but His mercy steady. Him never wrong. Sunrise cool, oceans deep. Every promise His word keep. Praise His on, works unbound. Spirit of God, all around. Lift up your voice, lift up your heart. All the glory, He never part. Hear me now, me shout and declare. John Almighty, Him everywhere. Fire in the heart, shake the ground. Spirit a move, lift the sound. No chance can hold, no darkness hide. Every shadow flee when Him beside. Lion roar, mountains a quake. Every nation tremble when Jah awake. Me feet firm, me soul never bend. Praise the Most High, me eternal friend. Rain a pour, rivers a flow. Every eye see, every tongue know. Lift the hands, call the name. Holy Spirit blaze, set the flame. From Zion hills to the seashore, all creation shout Him evermore. Them try fi blow, try fi fight, but just power crush the night. Every evil flee, every wall break. Power of the Lord, me never fake. Me heart beat strong, voice a thunder. All glory to Yahweh, me surrender. Echoes of heaven, fire burn bright. Praise Yeshua, Spirit of light. Me walk in a light, me rise in a faith. Power of Yahweh guide me Thunder roll.